let Tyler get down here.
Christmas, Grandpa.
Well, Merry Christmas, Brooke. Wait for Tyler. Wait for Tyler.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Ricky.
On the snowman on.
You want what?
Snowman on.
You do?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Merry Christmas, Brookie.
What's in here? Tyler, look in here.
Look in
On the
there.
snowman
Oh,
on.
I'll put the snowman in. Go see what's in there.
That's what I wanted.
That's what you wanted.
Who came last night?
Santa.
My goodness, look at all this stuff.
Wow, Tyler, what do you think?
Tyler, what is that?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Wow.
Santa got me presents.
You got you a present?
It's on the mantle.
I don't know.
Looky there.
What's that?
I don't know.
You better see.
Look at there. Wow. You know what that is?
I don't know.
Have you seen one of those before?
I don't know.
It's a trampoline.
You get one at the gym when you go to gymnastics?
What manful?
Above the fireplace. Are you taking?
Brian sounded kind of sad we had
Look,
to call
Tyler,
and
you
Skype
can
him back.
you can hold on to this and jump.
No.
Are you taking care of your puppy, Brookie?
This is Christmas.
It's Christmas?
The Christmas is
This is Christmas Day.
yeah, and the Christmas
Christmas Eve?
yeah, that's Christmas Day. Christmas Day.
Let me see you jump, Tyler.
Yay!
Look at you go. Wow.
Good jumper you are. Oh, fancy.
Look in there. You can do circles already. Wow.
Oh!
Wow, you want to get in your stockings?
I'm jealous.
What are you doing? Are you a veterinarian?
No.
Brooke, are you taking care of animals?
Brooke, what's that?
A motor truck.
A what?
A motor truck.
That's a big Barbie Jeep.
That's what I wanted to.
You did?
But Mommy, yes.
Oh, giving the puppy a shot.
It's interesting to see Jenna Jameson in a Christmas Day parade.
Who's she?
I don't know.
So what did Santa Claus eat any cookies? Go over there and check. See what he did. See, did he eat cookies and drink any milk?
He eat all the cookies.
What did he do?
He take all the milk.
He did?
It's only all the Santa Claus only one cookie.
He
He
didn't
must
want to
have
eat
been-
one, did he?
He must have been full.
He's got to eat a lot of cookies all day. He goes, every house.
There's your milk.
Oh. You know what my stocking is?
Sure. Which one's yours?
Santa
How did you know that?
Do you want your milk?
A teddy bear.
Squeeze his tummy really hard.
Heidi, what are you doing?
I got one for Tyler. Here, Tyler. I don't like it. This one I get.
I don't like
I
it.
don't like it.
Well, just look at your
Candy cane.
Just
Huh,
look at yours.
Brooke, only go in your
This
stocking.
one.
That's not your stocking.
This one.
Nope. Nope. The one with the Christmas tree on it. Right there.
Get your stocking. Let's see what's in there.
That's my stocking.
Let me help you. What you got? Some books?
Present. Yes. And like that. Now open this.
Mm-hmm. Now look in yours, Tyler.
I don't have mine.
Look in there.
Oh.
Oh, you got slippers. Wow.
Books? Thomas books? Yay. You like them?
I wear these. I'm gonna go.
You want to wear them? Want to put them on?
Yes. And I'm going to get some slippers.
Yeah.
We talked about that last night, didn't we,
I
Brooke?
close it.
How did
Yes,
Santa know?
Santa brought those just because you asked him last night. Remember?
It's 7 up and this is solid. This one is 9.
Yes.
No, that.
Ask someone there, Mommy. Ask someone there. Look.
Candy. It's Percy. Kind of like. Who's that?
Thomas.
Thomas. Yeah. You better see what else is in your stocking, Tyler.
Tyler, what else is in your stocking? You better open it.
What's in there? Look in there. Pull it out. What's that?
I got big present.
Open it up, buddy.
I don't know.
Open it.
You.
I don't know.
Here.
I don't know. This big present.
Here, you do it. Tyler, look.
I can't. I want to jump on this.
Uh-oh.
A motorcycle.
You better get that there.
That's what
Hold
I
on.
wanted.
Just what you wanted.
Yeah.
You want me to take the tag off?
Yeah.
What is that, Brookie?
Lip glosses. Oh, boy.
Let me get this out.
Here, you want to put these on? Yes.
Can I get these?
You want your lip
Go to
glosses out, too?
ball. Yes.